Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Marcus and I make Twitch tutorial videos to help you grow faster and smarter. Today is 25th April 2026 and in this video, I'm going to show you the best Twitch clip downloader that lets you save any clip for free, quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to download Twitch clips for content creation, highlights, or reposting, this video is exactly what you need. I've been streaming on Twitch and Kick for years, and one of the biggest challenges is saving clips efficiently without losing quality. After trying multiple tools, I found a method that actually works. Fast, reliable, and super simple. And yes, it helped me a lot in my content workflow. So let's get straight into it. I'm using Followers Panda's Twitch Clip Downloader, which is one of the oldest and most trusted tools for streamers. It's known for being reliable and very easy to use, especially if you're just starting out. Go to the website and from the menu options, select Tools, then click on Twitch Clip Downloader. Copy the clip URL from your browser. Go back to the downloader and paste the clip URL into the input box. Click on the download button. You'll see the status change to processing, and within 30 to 40 seconds, your clip will be ready to download. That's it. Super simple. Now let me show you a faster method. Followers Panda also offers a Chrome extension for downloading Twitch clips instantly. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for Twitch Clip Downloader by Followers Panda. Step 2. Install the extension. Step 3. Once installed, just click on the extension icon, paste your Twitch clip URL, and download it instantly. This method is much faster and saves you a lot of time if you download clips regularly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Twitch growth tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.